Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to book a flight on Wizz Air. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So to book a flight on Wizz Air, what we need to do is we need to first access their official website. So in this case, on their website, we need to choose the service. So they have three services here. We have flights, hotels, and cars. So since we want to book a flight, let's go and choose flight here. And we want to indicate whether it's going to be a return or one-way ticket. So we'll be choosing your return here. So if you choose return here, you'll be booking a flight to your destination and another ticket going back from where you came from. Now let's go and choose our origin. So in this case, let's go ahead and choose the appropriate one here. So for example, maybe I'm actually from Tirana here. Destination is going to be Vienna. Just an example. Now from here, you want to choose your departure. So for example, I'm going on the 27th or even the 28th here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the amount of passengers. So in this case, this is just one adult. Go ahead and choose one adult here. But again, if you have other companions here, make sure to indicate them as well, because you'll be entering the details later on. Let's go and click on search. Now it's going to give us different bookings that we could get here. So again, there are going to be a lot of tickets here. So you could also see their prices here and the dates. So in this case, this is the total flight duration. So for me, it's going to be 1 hour 50 minutes. Now you can go ahead and search for the best prices here. So in this case, for example, I want to get the regular price here for this flight. Let's go and click on select. It's going to give me different packages here. So we have the all-in-one full flex, so you'll be able to leverage the following features. We have pack and save, so you'll be able to basically have free carry-on, free normal seat selection, 20 kg check-in package, and free airport online check in up 30 days before flight departure. Also have the quick travel here if you want to. So in this case, you could go ahead and choose whatever here. So for example, I'm going to actually use the quick travel option here, or you could go and click on continue for the following price. So in this case, let's go and click on continue. Now, in this case, what we need to do next is we now need to basically book our return flight. So in this case, you could go ahead and choose the appropriate one here. So for example, we have Vienna and Tirana. So for example, let's go and choose regular price here. And again, you could go and select your package here. So it's going to say sold out. So for example, I'm going to use the quick travel option here, and you should be able to see your flight here. So this is the flight that you have right now, but in this case, you also have the be prepared for unexpected Wizz Flex here. So in this case, you could go ahead and leverage this one if you want to, but for now, let's go and click on continue. Now, from here, it should give you another page here, which in this case, you need to provide your passenger details. So that includes your first name, last name, and any personal information about yourself. And also, you have your check-in baggage. Make sure to indicate that as well. So you can see, make sure that you're viewing the correct one. So you have Tirana and Vienna here. So currently, you should be able to choose your baggage. So if you have Vienna and Tirana, you could go and specify the baggage itself. Now, be aware that sometimes selecting some of the features here increases the fees for your flight. So be sure that whenever you're increasing your check-in baggage size here, or the amount of, or the how heavy your baggage here, that you might get charged for additional fees. So just keep that in mind. So I have a cabin baggage here as well. But for now, let's go ahead and click on continue to proceed with this one. But for now, let's go and choose 10 kg here. And Tiara, 10 kg as well. Let's go and click on continue. And from here, again, provide your personal information. Now, on the next page, you need to sign in into your account and complete all the necessary information. So in this case, if they ask you to provide your passport information, you could go ahead and provide that. And finally, on the last page, you just need to pay for your ticket here. And once you've paid for it via card or whatever means that is available to you, you should be able to book your flight for Wizz Air. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.